guys, today's video I'm going to give you recommendation about animated websites. Okay, for today's tutorial I'm going to recommend you 5 animated websites, and the first one is frame.io. You just need to open up your browser and then search for this website, frame.io, and this is how the website looks like. And this is the example of the animation we can create with this website. Okay, and then the second one is kprverse.com. Okay, and basically you can use this website to create animation like a video game. And here there are a lot of characters you can use to create the animation. So cool, right? And then the third one is the Hates.agency. Okay, this is for the website, guys. You can use this website to create like animation for your logo or for your intro. And the fourth one is james.basicagency.com. And this is the result from this website, and you can explore it by yourself. And the last one is ventriloque.ca, and you can use this website to create like data visualization. Okay guys, and that's all the animated websites I recommend to you. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.